Hello, everyone. Welcome back. How are you today? Let's take a slow, deep breath together. Relax your shoulders. Let go of your busy day. You are safe here, and you have time to just breathe. Today, I want to talk to you about a very special, very important sentence. You're more than capable. Let's look at these words together. They are simple A1 English words, but they have big power. They can change how you feel about yourself. Part 1. What does capable mean? Let's look at the first word, capable. Capable means you have the power, skill, and strength to do something. Think about your everyday life. Have you ever looked at a new task, a new job, or a new language like English, and thought, I cannot do this. It is too hard for me. I am not smart enough. Everyone thinks that sometimes. Even native speakers feel this way. When something is new or big, our brains feel scared. Our brains want to stay safe, so they tell us to stop. Part 2. What does more than mean? Now let's look at the second part. More than. This means you are not just barely enough. You have extra power inside you. Imagine a glass of water. When the water goes right to the top, it is full. But more than capable means your glass is so full that it overflows with strength, courage, and ability. When you say, I am more than capable, you are telling yourself, I can learn step by step. I have the strength to try. Even if I make a mistake, I can keep going. Part 3. Let's practice together. Now, let's practice saying these words out loud together. Don't be shy. Speak softly, but speak clearly. Ready? Let's go. Put your hands on your heart. Take a deep, deep breath in and let it out. Now, say out loud, I am capable. Great job. Say, I can learn new things. Very nice. Say, I am more than capable. Wonderful. Every time you feel nervous or worried about something new, stop. Put your hand on your heart and remember these words. Conclusion, your daily reminder. We are almost finished for today. Today, when you face a challenge, whether it is studying English, cooking a new meal, or solving a problem at work, remember who you are. You have a strong mind, a kind heart, and all the time you need to grow. Thank you so much for spending this quiet, beautiful time with me today. You did a wonderful job listening and learning. Have a peaceful day, believe in yourself, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.